Level up your English. Understanding the phrase, level up. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into a fun and commonly used phrase in English, level up. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also be able to use it in everyday conversations. The term, level up, originally comes from the world of video games. In many games, as you progress, your character gains experience and reaches new levels, becoming stronger or acquiring new skills. When you reach a new level, it's commonly announced with the phrase, level up. Outside of video games, level up has been adopted into everyday language. It means to improve, progress, or move to the next stage in any aspect of life. For instance, if someone gets a promotion at work, they might say they've leveled up in their career. To give you a clearer idea, here are some examples of how level up might be used. 1. Personal development. I've started a new exercise routine. I'm trying to level up my fitness. 2. Learning. By taking advanced classes, you can level up your knowledge in the subject. 3. Life milestones. They just bought a new house. They really leveled up from their old apartment. The beauty of languages is in their flexibility. Here are some variations of the phrase, level up. 1. Leveling up. She's leveling up her coding skills by taking advanced courses. 2. Take it to the next level. This team needs to take it to the next level if they want to win the championship. Now, you're all equipped to use level up in your conversations. Remember, language is a tool to express ideas, and every day we get opportunities to level up our language skills. Hope this video has been helpful, and keep leveling up in your English learning journey.